we must make sure that our pipe has the right gradient. This is set by building regulations, of course. We must adhere to it. The right gradient will help avoid issues in the future. If it's too steep, the liquids will go and it's going to leave the solids behind. If it's too flat, too level, then the solids might not run. So it's got to be just perfect. So in this instance, we're gonna do it 1 in 48, which means that per every meter, the pipe should have a 25 mil fall. We have measured this run from the inside of the brickwork to the end is 4 meters, which then we should have a 100 mil fall. So I'm gonna measure here. Over here, I've got 190 mil, and here at the back, I've got exactly 90 mil. So yes, I have fall of 100 mil between this point and that point. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put the level on top of our pipe and make sure we have a constant fall. So I can see that my bubble is in the middle of the 3 lines. That means nothing right now. So now I just have to make sure that I've got the bubble in the same place throughout my pipe. And I can adjust it by lifting the pipe and placing some shingle underneath. So I'll double check it. Now I'm looking for getting the bubble in the same place. Yep, I'm happy with the fall I'm getting. So next thing we do is we shingle our pipe to secure it in place and so that it doesn't move in the future. So next thing after we've shingled it and everything, next thing is concrete our rest bands. One of the things that we need to make sure is that the concrete doesn't cover the joint, because you need that flexibility. And also when we concrete them, we need to use some sort of protection. This can be polythene, Cordex, fiberboard, anything really, to stop the concrete from adhering to the structure of the building. Another thing we need to do is, of course, seal our cavity. So we do that by placing concrete. And one of the things we must make sure is that when we put it, we compact it, but without pushing the pipes down, as this could make the pipe backfall. So we first put a little bit of concrete, we tamp it, get it underneath, packed in there, then we put some more, then we seal it here, make good of it, and we offer it for inspection.